Pole Pro, both floor and wall versions, is very easy to install thanks to its new anchoring system. Upon receipt, please check that the product has not suffered any damage. With the charger, you should receive the installation manual, 2 keys to access the electronics, and, if it's a Pole Pro cloud version, 2 RFID cards. Once the charger is opened, you will find, protected with bubble wrap, its anchoring plate. In case there is an installation company involved, this must be supplied first for its installation and to avoid any possible damage to the charging station. It is advisable to install Pole Pro on a concrete slab similar to the one shown. If this is not possible, it must be anchored directly to the solid concrete floor. Avoid installing it on concrete tiles as they do not provide sufficient stability in the event of impacts. For placement, a leveled base must be prepared with a conduit in its center, allowing the cables to pass through. Then, drill the marked positions and place the M10 threaded studs fixed with chemical plug, leaving enough space on both sides for correct settling of the base. Place the base and secure it using washers and metric 10 nuts. Place the base and secure it using washers and metric 10 nuts. Finally, the charger must be secured to the base using washers and metric 10 nuts included with the base kit.